Hello and welcome to RachAquarelle. Today is New Year's Eve. Not sure if my video will actually go up today or on New Year's Day, but I opened up my back door today to let my dogs out, and I always kind of look over at my neighbor's greenhouse, which is this right here, and I'm always thinking about it. Now, I'm not a gardener, and I have tried to have a garden. I try to have houseplants. Not so great at planting things, but I like thinking about plants and growing things, and so that kind of inspired my little illustration idea today right here, because I always think about new beginnings, and the new year often is a time where we can start thinking about nurturing the things that are most important to us and really kind of growing as people. So I wanted to do this little illustration depicting my neighbor's greenhouse, but pretending that I'm the one with the greenhouse and that I can actually grow things. So my illustration is going to be set in winter, just as it actually is right here, and we've had quite a bit of snow recently. And I really want that juxtaposition between the cold snow and kind of, symbolizing, I think, the end of one year. And then inside the greenhouse, I'm going to just kind of loosely draw a figure who's meant to be me, just kind of watering these plants and preparing for them to grow and to become something bigger once they move out of this little incubator, the greenhouse. So right now I'm just doing a little sketch in my sketchbook to see how these colors can work together possibly. Keeping it very loose. I didn't even sketch in the figure here. In fact, I think I wasn't even really planning to have a person in there because I wasn't sure how large this illustration would be. But, I feel like it was a nice touch in the end. And the colors that I'm using are going to be Payne's Gray, Pyrrole Red, Hansa Yellow, Sepia, and then I added just a little bit of phthalo blue so that I could get some really nice bright greens inside the greenhouse. And I'm just going to shift over to music for this video because I am on my way to a family outing for the holiday, so don't have a lot of time to do a complete voiceover, but I hope that you guys really enjoy watching the painting process. I hope that you're having a wonderful holiday, and I will look forward to seeing you soon for more in-depth tutorials. Talk to you later.